Hello friends, today I am going to show you one science experiment. You see these pencils and this water in the polythene bag. Now I will experiment this pencil in the polythene bag and let's see the water leaks or not.
We expect it to leak, right?
Yes.
Let's see.
Wow, it's not leaking.
Ooh, look, it's not leaking.
Oh,
It's
really?
magic. Is it magic or it's science?
It is the science.
Oh.
The polythene bag not leak.
Friends, do you know the reason? The reason is when you break the polythene bag or polythene, its molecules comes closer. So it seals the leakage. That's why we are not seeing the water leaking. Look, all three pencils are all passed through, but it is not leaking.
Leaking.
For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Christmas!